Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Elvira Mutia Suparman, student from Smk Kesehatan Cianjur. Representing from Cianjur Regency in the West Java, membak kompetensi siswa in health and social care category. In this educational video, I will discuss root and hemiplegia in the elderly, starting from pathophysiology, prevention, rehabilitation, and community-based recovery innovation.
Stroke can suddenly change a person's life. Many elderly patients experience weakness, limited mobility, and dependence on others after stroke. Simple daily activities such as eating, walking, bathing, and speaking may become difficult.
Stroke occurs when the blood flow to the brain is interrupted. This condition may occur because of ruptured blood vessel called hemorrhagic stroke. And stroke may also occur because of blocked blood vessel called ischemic stroke. When brain cells do not receive enough oxygen, they begin to die within a minute. Damage to certain parts of the brain disrupt communication between of the brain and muscle. As a result, patients may experience weakness or paralysis from one side of the body, known as hemiplegia. This condition affects movement, balance, speech, and daily activities. To recognize stroke quickly, remember the word fast. F stands for fast dropping. A stands for arm weakness. S stands for speech difficulty. T stands for time to go to the hospital immediately. Many strokes can actually be prevented through a healthy lifestyle.
Routine blood pressure monitoring is also very important. Range of motion exercise help maintain joint flexibility and prevent muscular stiffness.
Squeeze the ball soldier.
Hand exercise improve muscular strength and coordination. Wheelchair safety is important to prevent falls and injuries. Walker training helps improve mobility and balance safely. Regular physical activity is important to improve muscle strength, balance, and cardiovascular health. Simple activities such as walking, stretching, and leg exercise can improve mobility and independence. A healthy diet is also essential during stroke recovery. Elderly patients is encouraged to consume balanced nutrition, vegetables, fruits, adequate water, and low-salt foods. Mental health is an important part of stroke recovery. Emotional support, positive communication, and enjoyable activities can improve emotional well-being. Social interaction help elderly patients feel supported and reduce loneliness. Spiritual well-being provides comfort, hope, and emotional strength during recovery. Taking medication regularly is important to prevent recurrent stroke. Our innovation program is called SMART, Stroke Community Care. This community-based program integrates home rehabilitation monitoring, family education, blood pressure monitoring, and community support. The program aims to improve recovery, prevent recurrent stroke, and improve quality of life.
Stroke may limit movement, but they should never limit hope. With prevention, rehabilitation, and community support, elderly stroke patients can continue living meaningful and independent lives. Restore